This is how you're going to perform the water test. Each group is going to have a different test. So we're going to actually have 3 different tests with 6 different groups. So 2 groups will be doing the same test, and we can actually compare our results to make sure that we got it right. The first thing you'll do is fill up the water tube. Then if you're doing the 6 tests, that's testing for these things right here. You're going to take your strip. You're going to dip it into the water for 2 seconds. 1, 2. You're going to take it out. You do not shake out the excess water. You just let the water be on it, and then you let it sit face up for 30 seconds. So you're going to use a timer, and you're going to time it. After 30 seconds, what you do is you hold it up to, can't pick it up. You hold it up to each test. So see how they all line up. So total hardness is that one, total chlorine is that one, alkalinity is that one, pH is that one, nitrites is this one, and nitrates is this one. And you find the closest color that it matches to, and then you record that number, and if it's in the OK zone or not. You can see the OK zone. That's for the 6 tests. For the copper test, you're going to use the copper stick. You're going to immerse it in the water, and then you're going to swirl it 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Remove it with the pad facing up. Do not shake off excess water, and you're going to wait for 15 seconds on the timer. And then once you've waited for 15 seconds, you're going to compare it with the copper test chart part, and you'll record what number and if it's in the OK zone. Then the last one is the iron test. You're going to dip it for 2 seconds. 1, 2. You're going to remove it face up and then shake off excess water with 1 shake. Okay? Then you're going to wait for 60 seconds on the timer. 60 seconds on the timer. When 60 seconds is up, you're going to compare it with the iron parts per million. And whatever you find there, then you're going to record what number, and then if it's in the OK zone or not. What these tests are measuring is how many parts per million of these things exist in it, if it says ppm. So how many micro pieces of copper are in the parts per million. That means if it's 1, that means it's 1 part per million, which seems like a really low number, but if you look at how they're measuring it, actually 1 is still in the OK zone, but once you get up to 2 or 3, you are no longer in that OK zone. Let's find out about our school's water, our tap water anyway, not our drinking water, and have fun performing the tests.